Hey, does your dog ever snort and honk? Don't worry, it's probably a reverse sneeze. Reverse sneezing, or paroxysmal respiration, is common in dogs. They rapidly inhale air through their nose, causing a snorting sound and extended neck. Episodes usually last only a few seconds and are harmless. Some common causes could be inhaled irritants like dust or pollen that tickle the nose, excitement, post-nasal drip from allergies that can irritate the throat. Now, how to relieve reverse sneezing. Gently massage your dog's throat to shorten the episodes. If your dog is having frequent or severe episodes of reverse sneezing, book an appointment with a better veterinarian to check out your furry friend.